Hey everybody, it's Katie. When the team from Cricut reached out to me to ask if I wanted to try out their new products and share them with you guys and show them what I learned to make, of course I said yes. And today we're gonna unbox what we have going on right here. Before I had kids, my husband and I sat and watched an infomercial for a Cricut product for a really long time. I want to say we watched for about 2 hours watching all the things that a Cricut could make, and I was super interested in getting one. And we never did get one because we ended up having kids and I got very busy. But now I'm kind of at a point with my kids where I want to make some cool things for them. I want to be more of a participant in making the decorations for their parties and being one of those really cool classroom mothers that always has like the perfect party favor. So we're gonna check out Cricut and see what they sent me today. I already saw the front of this box, so I know what's in here, but I'm not sure what's in these two boxes. So you get to be a part of this unboxing. I tried to be very, just tried not to look because I didn't know what machine they were sending me. I'm not really up on a lot of my Cricut products anymore. It's been a while since I saw the infomercial, but when I went to Salt Lake City for the Snap conference this past spring, I got to check out some really cool Cricut stuff. I got to make a temporary tattoo. I mean, it was just so much fun. So I'm very excited to see what all my very own Cricut can do. Oh my goodness, it's so heavy, but not like, it looks so lightweight on television, but this is substantial. Like, I think this is serious. Like, we can get some serious stuff done with this. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. So this is the Cricut Maker. Gorgeous. It comes with the premium fine point blade, the rotary blade, the knife blade, and some pens, including a washable fabric pen, a fine point pen, a calligraphy pen, and a scoring stylus. So one thing that I saw that the Maker does is, I have terrible printing. I've always wanted to be one of those moms that could like letter things really nice, but I'm just not. And so the Cricut will letter things for you, and it looks like you sat there and did it with the marker. I'm so excited about that part. So inside we have the Let's Get Started box. Yeah, this is amazing. Like, this is a very substantial machine. I really feel like we're gonna go places with this thing. It's like Christmas is over because it's already arrived. All right, so it looks like we have the power cord, the Maker itself, which is so much bigger than I thought. Like, it just, I don't know. I thought it was gonna be really small for some reason. We have two mats here, two cutting mats, one for lightweight and one for fabric. And if I'm using all the wrong terms, I'm sorry. Some of you that have Cricuts are probably like, no, it's called this, but this is brand new to me. Like, I am a Cricut virgin. Okay, so it's sealed up with the nice little Cricut seal. I love this because it's not gonna just cut little small things. Like, this is gonna cut, this is beautiful. Okay, what color is that? Is that like a rose gold? I don't even think I knew they had other colors. What is that? I can't tell. The lighting in here is kind of tricking me a little. That is so beautiful. Maybe it's silver. It's hard to tell if it's my studio lights. All right, we're gonna break open this plastic. Maybe. Pull my knife out again. This is just too exciting. So basically, over the next couple weeks, I'm gonna try some things out and we will learn together if this is easy to use and what kinds of beautiful things we can create for our families, for our kids, for parties. I love parties. I love throwing parties. Look at it all by itself. Okay, so here's a nice little spot where I can put the different blades. It looks like it has like a liner in there. Here's a good spot for the pens. I've got to find those. It must be in the Let's Get Started box. here's a tray where I'll be able to put my tablet or my cell phone, depending on what I'm using in our design studio. Gorgeous. So super excited about that. This looks just like a printer. Oh my gosh, I think that's a storage tray. So I'm gonna learn all about this and share more with you, but that's what was in that box. I feel like we need to do the let's get started box and see what's in here. This is like so exciting. Oops, I messed it up a little. It's kind of like when you get a cell phone. It looks just so nice in here. Or like those Disney bands when you take your family to Disney and they're all lined up beautiful. So we've got the welcome book, and it looks like my blade. And underneath we have one of the markers right here and a USB cord. And then some warranty statements. And this is exciting. I've heard about this. The materials for my very first project. When you open them up, I wonder if they're like the same for every kit. Like, do we all get the same materials? So we've got, looks like some textures, like cardstock or light cardstock, a blue one, and some fabric. So I'm excited to see what we'll do with those. Okay, let's see what's in the other boxes. This is just so beautiful. Hope I'm not like messing this up at all. Okay, this, I did not read the box. Unboxing things. Oh, at least I'm not using my kitchen knife. I usually use like my kitchen steak knife or something to open these. So I don't know. I'm learning something. Okay, upside down. What is this? The EasyPress. Look at that. Okay, so this is exciting. This is so I can make, like I can heat things up and put vinyl onto different surfaces. So let's see, the convenience of an iron, but the speed of a heat press. So it's just like they do, like I'm basically a professional here. So if I were to make t-shirts or just want to put vinyl on other surfaces, it'll heat up so nicely. I love this. All right, inside we've got the let's do this envelope. We'll open that last. I knew you were supposed to open the card first, but that's not what we're doing today because I just want to see it. Okay, pull this out. It's so fun. Oh, it comes in a cute little bag. This is like the heat guard that you rest it on while it's heating up. And let's see what it looks like. This is a good size. This would be great for t-shirts. We had another local mom make all of our Indie with Kids t-shirts, and I believe she used a Cricut to cut the vinyl. And I'm not sure if she used an iron or a heat press, but now I can make my own too. I can make fun things for my kids. Isn't that beautiful? High temperatures that will cause burns or other injuries. Okay, so beautiful. This is really nice. I'm gonna have to learn all about that because I know a little bit about the Cricut. I know nothing about the heat press. So super excited to dive into that. Oh wait, we gotta open the card, right? Okay, product registration, and then the EasyPress 2 information. And that is so cute. the Cricut logo on vinyl so I can try it out, make my own Cricut shirt or something. So good stuff for my first project. It shows me right here how to do it, a quick start guide. Okay, this is awesome. That's such a good idea. So you take the bag that the heat press came in, and it shows you how to use the bag and affix the Cricut vinyl so that you learn how to do it, and then you have this perfect bag for your heat press. That's brilliant. That's actually like a really, really good idea. I'm so glad that I have an office here, because my husband would be like, oh, where are you gonna keep that? Everyone will wanna get into it. And no, this is for me, just for me, and that's it. All right, this is the last box, and I have no idea what this could be, because I don't think you need cartridges or anything now. I think it's all done online with the maker. All right, so our final box. Oh, this is like, I can't wait to show you guys. All right, in here we have some supplies for our first project. So we have the metallic adhesive foil. That is so cool. You can make some really cool stuff. And I love all the resources that are available online for projects like this. Everyday iron-on in white. We have some vinyl. This is Southwest cardstock. So a packet of cardstock to use. I have to see exactly, I mean, I can try everything now and figure out what we're gonna do here. I really wanna open this up and see. And so Cricut actually makes all of these products. You can purchase other products, but Cricut has a line of everything from cardstock to the vinyl for you to use. You can cut fabric and leather. I've even seen people cut like thinner wood. I don't know what that's called, because again, I'm not this crafty person yet. I think we should call this series Make Katie Crafty. Look at this, Southwest cardstock. Oh my gosh, see, this is like, my kids have art supplies. This is art supplies for me, and it's so exciting. Like, this is probably the equivalent to them opening up like a fresh box of crayons or tempera paints. Some more vinyl. And transfer tape. Oh my gosh, look, a Cricut toolkit. This is so exciting. This is the basic tool set. I've seen online in the past when I've watched, I love watching people do stuff like this. So I've seen what they do with these things, and like when you print little tiny details out to pick them out. So I'm excited to have my very own tool set. I wonder if it'll, oh, I bet it fits in that little tray down there. And then we have the pen. So I was telling you about how the Cricut will letter for you. That is probably going to get used as much as the cutting part of it, because I have always wanted to have beautifully lettered things to send my friends, like making cards or signs, and now I can, and no one is even gonna know unless they watch this video. So these are the things that Cricut sent me, and I thank them so much. I'm so excited. So we're gonna do this whole series on getting Katie to be crafty. So I'm so excited to share that journey with you, and I can't wait to dive into this. I'm gonna have to start watching some YouTube videos. I'm gonna have to go get started on Cricut.com in the setup area and get my design studio set up, and then I'll show you what I'm doing. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing, and thank you to Cricut for sending this to me. I'm so excited to work together.